Welcome to our comprehensive analysis of Goldman Sachs' stock, also known as GS. Goldman Sachs is a leading global investment banking, securities, and investment management firm that provides a wide range of financial services to a substantial and diversified client base. In this video, we'll delve into the key features of GS, its pricing, ideal use cases, advantages, disadvantages, and wrap up with a balanced conclusion. Goldman Sachs' stock has several key features that set it apart. It's a component of the Dow Jones Industrial Average and one of the most influential entities in the global finance sector. As a full-service global bank, GS offers services in investment banking, institutional client services, investing and lending, and investment management. With a rich history dating back to 1869, GS has shown resilience and adaptability, maintaining a strong reputation in the financial world. In terms of pricing, the value of GS stock varies depending on market conditions. However, it is generally considered a high-value stock due to the company's robust financial health and consistent revenue generation. It's important to note that, like any stock, GS is subject to market volatility. Therefore, potential investors should conduct thorough research and consider their financial objectives and risk tolerance before investing. GS stock is ideal for several use cases. Long-term investors may find it appealing due to the firm's consistent growth and strong financial performance. Additionally, it could be a good fit for income-focused investors, as GS has a history of paying out reliable dividends. Short-term traders might also find opportunities in GS's stock due to its liquidity and volatility. However, always remember that investing in stocks involves risks. There are several advantages to investing in GS stock. Firstly, Goldman Sachs is a well-established, reputable firm with a strong track record. It's also known for its strategic acquisitions and partnerships, which help maintain its competitive edge. Furthermore, the firm's diversified business model allows it to weather economic downturns better than many of its peers. Lastly, GS's consistent dividend payouts make it attractive to income investors. Despite its strengths, investing in GS stock has its limitations. Like any stock, it's subject to market risks, including economic downturns and regulatory changes. Also, its performance is heavily influenced by the health of the financial sector. Moreover, Goldman Sachs has faced various legal and reputational issues in the past, which have impacted its stock price. Potential investors should weigh these risks against the potential rewards. Key takeaways: GS stock offers potential for both long-term growth and income through dividends, backed by a solid reputation and diversified business model. However, it's not without risks, including market volatility and sector-related challenges. As with any investment, it's critical to do your research and consider your financial goals and risk tolerance. GS stock can be a valuable addition to a diversified portfolio, but it isn't right for everyone. Thank you for watching our analysis of Goldman Sachs' stock. We hope you found this information valuable in your investment journey. If you enjoyed this video and would like to see more like it, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Your support helps us continue providing quality content. Thanks again, and happy investing.